The Adrenalin Therapy 4X from Broken Head is supposed to be comfortable and offer good protection. Let's take a closer look at the motorcycle helmet. You can order the helmet for 149 euros in the manufacturer's online store. For another 39 euros, you get the anti-fog screen, also at Broken Head. The helmet is sturdily built, and the anti-fog screen is easy to attach. The anti-fog screen is not included and must be purchased separately. Due to the fact that the helmet shell is made of polycarbonate, the Adrenalin Therapy 4X is lighter than other helmets. The visor is provided with an anti-scratch coating and thus offers a crystal clear view for a long time. This is also helped by the retrofitable anti-fog lens, which is tailored to the helmet. Due to its comparatively low weight, the helmet is comfortable to wear and does not press too much on the neck. The chin strap is padded and thus prevents unpleasant pressure points on the chin. Due to the many slots, the helmet is well ventilated in the summer, so it does not get too hot under the helmet. The anti-fog lens also always provides good visibility because it adapts to the light conditions. Great is that the low weight relieves the neck. In addition, the anti-scratch coating protects the visor. Moreover, a self-tinted anti-fog lens can be retrofitted. Should the visor still come to harm, the replacement is very easy. Several ventilation slots ensure that it does not get too warm under the helmet. If the helmet lining is sweaty, it can be easily removed and washed. The only drawback is the loud airstream at high speed. But in our opinion, this comes with the habituation effect. The Broken Head Adrenalin Therapy 4X is a comfortably wearable helmet whose visor consistently provides good visibility, especially in combination with the self-tinted anti-fog lens. The view of the roads is very clear, and you can roar into the sunset relaxed.